Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to change volume using your speaker EDIFIER MP230. So, to volume control, right here at the right side we have two buttons. You need to press one time to plus button to increase the volume and minus button to volume down your music. Now, if I'm trying to do it right now, as you can see at this widget, nothing changed. So we need to enable some swing. Let me play some video. Here we go. Now I press on it and I increase the volume. Now let's check. Is it lower the volume? Yes, it did. So we did it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!